I'm freezing, guys. This is very complicated. This place is not very well insulated. I have some tent that keep me a little bit warm, but the temperature here is unbelievable. This is why you see me always like this, because it's freezing, okay? Also, this is quite complicated because, glue and stuff, they don't dry very easy in this temperature. So everything is longer, everything is slower, okay? But I'm very satisfied. This is the shape that I had in mind, okay? This is what, for me, is a central piece in a ruin complex. I will use it for my next encounter, but also it's perfect for Mordheim. I'm diving into Mordheim, guys. I'm thinking of realizing some beautiful terrain for the tabletop game, so-called Mordheim. Let me know if you would like to see some of that, okay? Now it's when the things go messy. And I like messy. I need to create all the, terrain around, all the surfaced rocky terrain, mud terrain, trees and stuff. And I will first of all create all the ground with some, glue and paper and stuff like that, something like sculpt mold. And then I will complete the piece with color in it and adding at last the flocking and the vegetation. I can't wait for show you the final progress. Crack on!
This step is one of my favorites. Covering the whole piece with this water-based Mod Podge and acrylic black paint solution not only forms a great base for the painting step, but gives the whole project extra durability. The most important point, however, is that from this point on, it is no longer a question of a set of pieces. Everything comes together, each part finds a common identity, and the whole begins to be a little closer to the idea we have in mind. I like to use this mixture quite diluted, so that it can penetrate every crevice, every crack. In works like this, in which the materials have a very similar color, tending towards white, a more diluted coat of primer maintains a certain difference in tones, once again facilitating the painting phase. Again, drying time.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!